Oh, yes.
Oh, shoot, my pipe fell.
I think there's like 2 feet of mud in your
What is
pipe.
That, look at, that's your whole brake system.
It's underwater.
Oh, God. Bring it back. Bring it back what?
Come on, Johnson.
How deep is this water?
I think it's like a foot.
Oh, shoot, it's deep. You don't look at the river.
Isn't that beautiful?
Alright, we're gonna get this frickin' thing out. Hey.
No swearing, Johnny.
Come on, Ethan. Hold on, let me get the front end.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Oh.
I love not doing anything.
Work, Johnny.
Beautiful, guys.
Hold my glasses.
Yep.
Alright, hold on.
I almost dropped her glasses.
You dropped them in the water, I swear, Fred.